Discover the ultimate solution for your home with energy-efficient slider windows Coppell. These windows are designed to reduce energy consumption, keeping your home comfortable year-round. By choosing energy-efficient windows in Coppell, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a reduced carbon footprint, making them an eco-friendly choice for any homeowner. For those seeking a personalized touch, custom slider windows in Coppell, Texas offer the perfect solution. Tailored to fit your specific needs and preferences, these windows provide a unique aesthetic that enhances the overall look of your home. Custom windows in Coppell, Texas ensure that you get the perfect fit and style for your property. Vinyl slider windows. Coppell are a popular choice for homeowners looking for durability and low maintenance. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them a practical and affordable option. Vinyl windows in Coppell, Texas offer long-lasting performance and are available in a variety of styles to suit any home. Double-pane slider windows in Coppell are an excellent choice for those looking to improve their home's insulation. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a space in between, providing superior thermal performance. Double-pane windows in Coppell help reduce noise and increase energy efficiency, making them a smart investment for any homeowner. Affordable slider windows in Coppell, Texas provide a cost-effective solution for those looking to upgrade their home without breaking the bank. These windows offer excellent value for money, combining quality and performance at a price that fits your budget. Affordable windows in Coppell, Texas ensure you get the best return on your investment. Residential slider windows in Coppell, Texas are designed to enhance the comfort and style of your home. These windows are available in a range of designs and materials, allowing you to choose the perfect option for your property. Residential windows in Coppell, Texas provide a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetics. Commercial slider windows. Coppell offer businesses a practical and stylish solution for their premises. These windows are designed to withstand the demands of a commercial environment while providing excellent energy efficiency. Commercial windows in Coppell, Texas help businesses reduce their energy costs and improve their building's appearance. When it's time for a change, slider window replacement in Coppell, Texas is the ideal solution. Replacing old windows with new, modern options can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Window replacement in Coppell, Texas ensures your home remains comfortable and attractive for years to come. Sliding glass windows in Coppell offer a sleek and modern look for any home. These windows provide unobstructed views and easy operation, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Sliding glass windows in Coppell enhance the natural light in your home and create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces.